Hello everyone and welcome to Edusurg Clinics. I am Dr. Gunjan Desai and today we are going to solve a question that was recently asked as a multiple choice question in entrance exam, and it was based on odds ratio calculation. So we have already discussed in detail the case control studies and how to calculate the odds ratio. So let us look at the question, and this should be fairly routine and a very simple question to solve if you have understood the concepts that we have discussed in the previous video. So the question sent to us by email by one of our students, the question was a case control study was conducted to investigate the association between pesticide exposure and Parkinson's disease. They have given the data, the exposed and the not exposed, and the cases and the controls. A standard 2 by 2 table, well, not actually standard, we'll see, but it does not matter as far as the odds ratio calculation is concerned. So the question is, what is the odds ratio for developing Parkinson's disease in those exposed to pesticides? And these are the options: 1.5 times, 2 times, 3.5 times, 4 times. Now, like I said, it does not matter in odds ratio calculation, but as a protocol, if you want to have a structured approach to solving questions, you have to remember that the exposed and not exposed are rows and cases and controls. The patients are standing, that's how you can remember it. So they are columns. So this is how a standard 2 by 2 contingency table is made, and cases and control in column, exposed and non-exposed in rows. So now calculating the odds ratio, as we know, it is the cross product ratio, or AD by BC. We have annotated the numbers, the A, B, C, and D values for you. So now it's fairly easy. It's 120 into 140 upon 80 into 60. If you are not understanding this, please have a look at the previous video where we have explained how all these things are derived, how the formula is derived. This multiple choice question should not take more than 30 seconds when you are solving it. So 16,800 divided by 4,800, the answer is 3.5. Like I said, you have to understand the interpretation of the question as well. So what is the odds ratio? It also means that those who are exposed to pesticides are 3.5 times more likely to develop Parkinson's disease. So the correct answer for this question is C.